Hello my dinner guests, and thank you for joining me in another video. Today on the menu we are going to be cooking up some Italian turkey meatballs. Alright, so the first thing I did was cut up this onion, and I used my cheese grater to grate it up into small pieces. This is a good way to disguise the onions if the children don't like them and you want to sneak them in there anyway. Yeah, this is a good way to do that, and they'll never know that they're in there. Alright, so I'm going to use this 3-pound package of turkey meat. Into that I'm going to go ahead and add the onions. And I previously diced up some green peppers, and so I'm going to add that. Alright, and then next I'm going to add garlic powder. And then after that, I'm going to add some Italian seasoning. And then some parsley flakes. And you can also use fresh parsley as well, but this is what I had on hand, so that's what I used. And then I'm going to go ahead and add some basil leaves. And some seasoning salt. And some Worcestershire sauce. Just a little. And some Italian breadcrumbs. And then I'm going to go ahead and add 2 eggs. Okay. And then after I mix this up, I'm going to add the pepper and Parmesan cheese. Alright, and so once this is done, I went ahead and put saran wrap on top and placed it in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. And that just is to help it to not be as sticky when you're making the meatballs. So right here I'm actually making an egg shape instead of a circular ball. That way when you go ahead and put it in a pan, it settles into a ball shape. Okay, and so this made about 25 meatballs. Alright, so into the oven they go on 350 for about 35 to 40 minutes, depending on how big you make your meatballs. And so right here now, once they're done, I'm adding them to the tomato sauce. It's just traditional tomato sauce. And I actually went ahead and seasoned it with pretty much the same seasonings that I seasoned the meatballs with. So that was Italian seasoning, parsley flakes, garlic powder, and the basil leaves, and the seasoning salt. And black pepper. So I gave that a good mix, and then I put it on a medium heat and let it simmer for about 15 minutes. And then after that, they're ready to be served up. Alright, so I'm going to drizzle some sauce over top, and then go ahead and add some parsley flakes on top and some Parmesan cheese. Now you can do pretty much what you want to do with the meatballs. You can make a sandwich or add pasta, however you want to do it. All right, so if you do decide to try this recipe, I hope you enjoy. And if you like this video and you thought it was a good video, could you please give it a thumbs up? And if you haven't subscribed, could you please consider subscribing? And to all my regulars and my dinner guests, I appreciate your love and support. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, God bless and have a great day.